Day 8 of the 12 Days of Christmas DIYs, and today we're making these simple, budget-friendly pine cone filled vases. This project just takes minutes to put together, but the end result adds so much warmth and charm to any space. Let's get started. Sometimes the simplest projects can have the biggest impact. These pine cone vases are proof of that. They're affordable, festive, and perfect to work in any room of your home. I use Dollar Tree vases and pine cones from Hobby Lobby to create this cozy decor piece. It's the perfect way to bring a touch of nature indoors for the holidays. For this project, I used two clear vases from Dollar Tree in different sizes, a mix of small and medium pine cones for texture, battery powered lights, and a few jingle bells for extra holiday magic. That's it. Just a few materials to create something beautiful. My goal was to create vases that feel festive and cozy but are quick and easy to assemble. I'll layer the pine cones and lights in the vases to create a warm, glowing effect. Then I'll add a few jingle bells for a subtle holiday touch. First, I cleaned the vases to make sure they were crystal clear. Always a good step when working with glass. Then I started layering everything. I added the larger pine cones at the bottom to anchor the design, then mixed in smaller pine cones to fill in the gaps. Also added the lights to create a lit within look. Rotate the vases as you go to make sure the arrangement looks balanced from all sides. The tricky part was threading the lights through the pine cones without tangling them. I wanted the lights to be evenly distributed so the whole vase glows beautifully. It took a little patience, but the end result was so worth it. Once the lights were in place, I added a few small jingle bells to each vase for a pop of metallic shine. When I turned on the light, the glow brought everything to life. These pine cone vases are the perfect balance of simple and festive. They're great for a coffee table or even as a holiday centerpiece. In the end, these pine cone vases turned out to be one of the easiest yet most impactful projects I've done. They're affordable, quick to make, and add so much warmth to any space. This project reminded me that you don't need a lot of time or materials to create beautiful holiday decor. Sometimes it's the simplest ideas that make the biggest difference. Thanks for watching day 8 of my 12 days of Christmas DIYs. Tomorrow I'll be sharing day 9, where I'll show you how to make a cozy pinecone garland that's perfect for your home. See you there.